Here's a custom E153 disc with the S54 spline. This one is a stock S54 disc, 6-puck. It's about 8 3/4, almost 9 inches. Here's the stock E153 disc, 9.5. This one is the hybrid with the blue tape. Hybrid E153 disc with the S54 spline, 9.5. The 2 for the S54. Perfect. S54 spline. Perfect. E153. This setup is the street hybrid disc, dual face, closed retainers, custom made. This one is the Pro Series, copper plated, dual heat treated. This one's not, so it's made for the street. 6-puck, closed spline. This one is a track version, dual heat treated, up to 500 horsepower. 6-puck disc, E153. This one is only 350 horsepower, up to 350. This one up to 300 wheel horsepower for the E153. And this one only come in the S54 hybrid with the E153 disc. The top piece is the S54 disc. The bottom is the custom E153 disc with the S54 spline. It covers the flywheel completely compared to the S54 one, which doesn't. So that's why you're not getting the mileage or the performance you're supposed to be getting.